Hello everyone, what's up? My name is Suraj and in today's video we are going to make a side dish for my dal and chawal. This side dish is made with egg, which I've seen this online on YouTube channel. So if you like it, please like, share and subscribe. Come join with me. So the first thing what we're going to do is take a nicely ripened egg. No, not egg. A ripened tomato. I think this is good. Is nicely ripe. Right, is fine. Or should I go with this one? No, this is not ripened. This looks perfectly red. Ripened tomato. Alright, let's go ahead. I think we should take two. No. One or two. Okay, let's take two. Firstly, I have nicely washed up this mixer grinder jar and let's put it down. Perfect. This looks neat. And then fix this. Perfect. And turn it around. I've locked the jar and let me put this cubes into the, and let's make the tomato puree. The tomato puree is ready and nice. So this pan is not clean at all. Let me wash this. Wash is what is required. So that no previous oil is there. Alright, let's go ahead and put it on the stove.
2,000 years later.
Look at the red puree. It is all ready to get cooked. Right? Perfect. The pan is getting heated. Good. So you have to check the pan whether it is heated or not, like this. If it is burning, then it's heated. So as soon as it's heated, you need to pour the oil. So the first thing, how do you know whether the oil is heated or not, is you need to check whether the the smoke is coming out from the oil. Once you see a light smoke coming out from the oil, it's all heated and ready to put the ingredients in it. So I know everyone who wants to cook will like to have the side dish with their food, and it's very rare, or it's very less anyone who wouldn't want to eat side dish with their foods. So I'm sure if you like this side dish to have with your meals, please let me know once you try and mention in the comment below. So you can see the light smoke is coming, right? So this is the perfect time to put the tomato puree in it. See, when you put the puree at the right time, it absorbs immediately and this kind of thing happens. Perfect. So I have put some nice turmeric and 1 tablespoon of pepper, as well as the coriander powder. So let me mix it nicely. Now here is the main thing. You just have to crack this eggs and put it into this recipe and cook it in a low flame. Perfect, I'm all set in. If you want, you can add black pepper on it and a little bit of coriander and you're done. Just keep it on a low flame, lowest low flame, and let it nicely cook. Look at the amazing side dish. If you like it, don't forget to share and subscribe with your friends so that it's a quick recipe and can have at any time of your day. Until then, see you in the next video. Bye bye.
Please like and subscribe.